once you've built your report in visuals, you may want to do some further analysis on them, like, for example, see the trend or have a line that indicates the minimum or maximum of the value in that chart. So we have a great pane dedicated to doing this kind of analysis. So whenever you have a visual selected, such as this revenue by segment chart, you see there's this third option in the visualizations pane here that looks like a little magnifying glass. And when you click it, you'll see all of the analytical options available for that chart. And so you have lots of options here. You can add a constant line, a min, a max, an average, a medium, or a percentile line. And for any one of these given lines, there's lots of options. So I'll go ahead and add a min line here. And I can choose what measure I want it to be based off of. In this chart, I only have one, so it's revenue is the option. But if I had multiple measures, I could select that here. I can also change the color of the line, change things like its transparency or its style, or even add a data label, which I can also format with various options. And I can add as many of these lines as I want onto any of my charts. We also have some further options for other types of charts. So like for example, in this line chart, I can choose to add a forecast. So I can see what the future is, what the prediction for our future revenue is going to be. So I can go over here and select forecast, and I select add. And by default, it picks a nice set of defaults for length of forecast, confidence interval, seasonality, things like that. And it will just automatically add the forecast to my chart, which is this gray-black part to the chart. I can then go in and I can adjust, like instead of the 10 points of data, I want to forecast 15, and I want to have a 99% confidence interval. So I hit apply, and the confidence interval increases, and it shows me more data points. And just like the lines, I can choose to do some kind of basic formatting, like pick the color or the style, things like that. And the forecast works just as well with all of our other kind of analytical features. So I can go ahead and just add a trend line in here as well. So I can see my trend for all of my current data, and then at the end of the data, my current data, I can then start seeing the forecast as well. So this pane is our home for all of our analytics features, and you'll be able to use this to augment your charts with any kind of additional analytics that you need.